Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to find a scalar or dot product of vector in three-dimensional space. For your information, the dot product is one of the most fundamental operations for vector mathematics, and understanding how to compute it will help us in physics, engineering, and geometry. Today, we will work with two specific vectors and calculate their scalar or dot product step by step. So, let's we move to the problem statement. The problem gives us two vectors. The first one is vector u is equals to 3i, 5j, and 2k. And for the second vector is vector v is equals to minus 1i, 3j, and 0k. And then uh, to find the scalar or dot product of these two vectors, we must to apply the dot product formula for 3D vectors. The dot product of the vector measures how much they point in the same directions. Mathematically, if we have two vectors given vector A is equals to A1, A2, A3, and vector B is equals to B1, B2, B3, then the dot product is calculated as vector A dot vector B is equals to A1 times B1 plus B A2 times B2 plus A3 times B3. In simple words, we multiply the matching components of two vectors and then add all the results together. Now, let's apply this formula in to our actual vector u and v. As you can see at the slide, we have two vector u and v with the value for the vector u is equals to 3i, 5j, and 2k, and for the vector v is minus 1a, 3j, and 0k. So the formula we can write it as vector u dot vector v is equals to u1 times v1 plus u2 times v2 plus u3 times v3. And because we know that the value of each variable, we can uh, we can substitute the value to the formula, and it will becomes 3 times minus 1 plus 5 times 3 plus 2 times 0, and it will becomes minus 3 plus 15 plus 0. So the result of vector u dot vector v is equals to 12. A positive dot product tell us something interesting. It means that the angle between two vector is acute. In other words, u and v point generally in same directions. If the result is 0, it means the vector is perpendicular. And if the result is negative, it means the point in the vector is opposite directions. So, besides giving us just a number, the dot product of the dot product also describe the relationships of two vectors. So, to summarize, we use the dot product formula, multiplied corresponding components of the vector, added them, and obtained the final result, which is 12. Thank you for your watching these explanations. I hope this step-by-step process help you understand how to compute the scalar product of three-dimensional vector. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me at the comment sections. I will read it and I will answer if I have time. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.